To create new items in the project tree structure, right-click on the parent level of the item you wish to create. For example, to create a new site, right-click on the project item, then click New Site. To create a new area, right-click on the site, and then select New Area. To assign meters to an area, right-click the area and select New Meter. Project items in the tree structure can be moved, copy and pasted, and deleted through the right-click menu. Items such as modifications and measures can be added to meters. For more information on these, see our full tutorials. I've just added a new site, area, and meter. Now I'll customize the meter by changing the utility type to natural gas and naming it accordingly. Clicking on the Rates and Costs tab, I'll select Average Total Cost per Consumption as the cost calculation method for this meter. Bill data can be imported or manually entered into the register. To assign a weather station to the new site, click the site item and then select your weather from the Weather drop-down menu. Available weather stations will be displayed here. See our guides to importing utility and weather data for more information.